How to cancel an order on Temu. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Temu tutorials. Today I'll show you how to cancel an order on Temu, step by step and the right way. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Second, tap the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your account page. Third, tap on orders to see all your recent purchases. Fourth, find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the order details. Fifth, look for the cancel order button. If the order hasn't started shipping yet, you'll see it, tap it. Sixth, select a reason for cancellation from the list and confirm your choice. Seventh, you'll see a confirmation message that your cancellation request was sent. The refund will be processed back to your original payment method. If you don't see a cancel button, it means the order has already entered the shipping process and can't be canceled in the app. In that case, you can try contacting Temu customer support from the app and ask for help. Pro tip: cancel orders as soon as possible. Once an item ships, Temu may not allow cancellation and you'll need to request a return instead. That's it. You now know how to cancel an order on Temu step by step.